Guys, today we're gonna be working on this Nissan Frontier with a 4.0 engine. We're gonna be doing the valve cover gaskets on both sides. So to start, we're gonna remove the intake tube. We're gonna take the whole thing out. We're gonna unplug this connector here. We're gonna take this out, and we're gonna take out this clamp. And also we're gonna remove this size 10, so we can get to this size 10 and take the complete part out. Be careful with these two lines, guys. They connect to the throttle body. These ones have coolant, so you can put a plug in it, or you can also just be prepared because there's gonna be coolant coming out of these hoses. You can plug it with the You're also gonna see a size 12 bolt holding a bracket here, and there's one on this side, two down here. Down there you can see the other bracket. These are size 12. Back here we also have this one. Try to be gentle with this hose because it's so hard that it's gonna crack. Be very careful. Okay, on this side that's it. That's what you guys have to remove on this side. I'm gonna move to the other side and start on over there. So I removed that bracket, guys. Keep in mind we need to remove the hose for the vacuum hose for the booster. It's down here. If you cannot get to it there, you can just unplug it from the booster directly and just stick it with the whole intake. So I'm gonna start by removing the bolts back here. We're gonna start by removing that size 10. We're gonna remove this one because it's on the way to remove the bolts on the bottom. This is size 12. And then here we can see the bolt. This is a nut that we need to remove. This bolt, this nut, and this bolt. And then we have one more. We have one more back there, and we have one more back here. They're all size 10 millimeter. back ball, I'm gonna be using this universal nut. ¿Se ve todo ahí? Grábame que se vea todo. Como de atrás así que se ve The only thing that is connected right now, guys, is the hose for the booster. That was the only one that I wasn't able to unplug there. This is very old. They put a lot of silicone where you shouldn't be doing that. No. Okay guys, so here we already removed the connectors for the coils. I'm gonna remove the coils, so we just have to get to all the bolts around the valve cover gasket. In order to get to this valve cover gasket, I'm gonna remove this valve. I'm gonna remove these 3 bolts, and you have to be very careful with the gasket. Nomás vamos a quitar este lado, del otro lado vamos a dejar así. So this is the gasket. Be careful with the gasket. Put it to the side. Sí, papi, no más. On this part, I recommend to remove all the bolts of the valve cover gasket before you even start messing with it, because sometimes if you start moving it around, you might drop some of the bolts. This is what happened to me on one of these valve covers, and I waste some time looking for the bolts. So I recommend you to remove the bolts before you start removing the valve cover. Guys, keep in mind that when you buy the gasket, they don't sell you the o-rings in the center. Actually, the o-rings they don't sell unless you buy the complete valve cover itself. So keep that in mind. Alright guys, so this is it for this video. I hope it did help you to figure it out your problem. And if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments. Go ahead and leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to be better every day.